Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to show you how the break and retest strategy is. The reason why it's so simple is just you got like just couple of things to understand on this strategy, and that's it. Yeah, so basically everybody keeps saying same stuff all over again, but I got feeling like people, they just don't respect that uptrend and downtrend. And the uptrend, actually, I would say it starts when it makes a high, a low, and then a high. And when it broke this high, I assuming this is the best. This is the best uptrend, and the same stuff all over again. If they broke this low, and you see this model, to me that seems is a downtrend. So very simple, yeah. Oops. Very simple. So the same stuff all over again, guys. You see this this support line. This is the previous day high. So what actually the price did, yeah? The price literally just consolidated on the London session. Literally just faked above, came back, broke up below, and to be honest, on here I was waiting basically to retest and then to take a short from here, but unfortunately it didn't. But I'm not like getting nervous or something like that, because if this retest didn't came through this and went down that, look at this beautiful formation, yeah? That's why I was showing you guys. That's why I was looking at today basically. And then low. And basically where I was gonna wait here, you won't believe it, but I was waiting for the retest. And you know it was funny because it didn't come back again, but I wasn't too stressed, you know. So it went down, broke this one. So what happened next? You're taking like that, and then you see it broke down again, because this is, I'm not considering this as a break. This I'm considering as a break. Came back, it didn't came to the zone, and look at this, rejection, and bull rejection. I took this trade like that, above EMAs. Look how perfect it is, yeah? It seems like a downtrend, it seems like a break and retest, and the both EMAs going down. What can be simple as that, guys? So basically what you can do, you can, oops, you can take, let me put it like that, you can take here the first target here, which is gonna be 1.2, but basically why I did it, I literally went back in the price action and I was checking. So basically that high is right here, so I'm gonna take right here, I'm gonna take the TP. So that's why I did, and at the end this was 1.6. Very simple, guys. Strategy is a break and retest strategy. You could literally wait until previous day low, but you know, I rather just trade safe instead of just making crazy RRs and stuff like that. To me, I feel much comfortable to bigger win rate and less RR instead of crazy RR and once in a while just to win a trade. So at the end of the day, the psychology is in the first place. So yeah, guys, that's kind of my breakdown for the trade which I took today. If you like this type of videos, comment down below what you want me to break down next, and see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.